On March 31, 1997, Jawaharlal Nehru University received news that Chandrasekhar Prasad, twice elected president of its students' union, had been brutally shot dead in broad daylight in Siwan, Bihar. Prasad, lovingly known as Chandu among his friends, Chandrasekhar Prasad was born on 20 September 1964 in Siwan, Bihar. His father was a sergeant in the Indian Air Force who died of a heart attack when he was 8 years old. His mother, Kaushalya Devi, states that she only got rupees 150 as compensation for her husband's service to the forces but made sure her son was educated well. Chandrasekhar completed his intermediate education at Army School in Jumri Tilaya. Following his schooling, he was selected for National Defence Academy training in Pune. He joined the program but left it after 2 years, stating dissatisfaction. He subsequently enrolled in Patna University and became involved in the All India Students' Federation as an active member but became disillusioned with the federation sometime afterwards. In 1990, he joined Jawaharlal Nehru University for a M.Phil degree in English literature. He later started working on a PhD on Bihar's popular folk theatre form Baidicia, but was assassinated before he could complete it. Chandrasekhar Prasad became associated with the Communist Party of India, Marxist-Leninist, liberation during the formation of the All India Students Association. In an Aligarh town hall, he expressed his desire to bring a revolution for clean politics in India. He is credited for almost single-handedly building up the All India Students Association during his stay in Jawaharlal Nehru University. He was elected to the body of the Jawaharlal Nehru University Students' Union as the vice president for 1 term and president for 2 terms. He is described to have played a key role in creating the foundations of laborers, students, women's, and Dalits' rights movements among the students' community. After completing his M.Phil, he decided to move back to his hometown of Siwan to start a movement there. Prasad was deputed as a youth leader of the Communist Party of India Liberation in Siwan. He began campaigning against corruption and alleged criminal leaders of the region. He is described to have made considerable inroads as a mass leader and posed a threat to the Janata Dal, later split into Janata Dal, United, and Rashtriya Janata Dal, the ruling party in Bihar. After his death, Brij Bihari Pandey stated that Mohammad Shahabuddin, the member of parliament from the Siwan constituency, was threatened by the activism of Chandrasekhar, who was considered as a candidate from the constituency in the upcoming elections. Prasad was addressing a Nukkar Sabha, corner meeting, on JP Road in Siwan, Bihar on 31st March 1997 for organizing a Bandh, general strike, called in Bihar to protest against the mass murders and scandals that were rampant in the state. During the meeting, he was killed in a mass shooting along with another activist, Shyam Narayan Yadav, and a hawker Bhutele Mia. Mohammad Shahabuddin, who was a member of parliament and known as a strongman in the district, was the prime accused for the shooting along with 5 other members of the Janata Dal. Following the assassination of Chandrasekhar Prasad, there were unprecedented protests by students across India. In Delhi, students from the Jawaharlal Nehru University marched to the Bihar Nivas demanding a dialogue with the then Chief Minister of Bihar, Lalu Prasad Yadav. In response, Sadhu Yadav, a leader of the Rashtriya Janata Dal, had allegedly ordered a mass shooting on the student protesters by the police. The protests occurred in various university campuses across major institutions such as Banaras Hindu University, Jadhavpur University, Jamia Millia Islamia, Jawaharlal Nehru University, and University of Lucknow, among others. Led by Kaushalya Devi, the mother of Chandrasekhar, Devi had been offered monetary compensation by the government of Bihar, which she had refused. The All India Students Association also demanded the arrest of Sadhu Yadav and capital punishment for Mohammad Shahabuddin. The student protests were able to pressurize Lalu Prasad Yadav into allowing the Central Bureau of Investigation to investigate the case. The term Gunda Raj to refer to the criminalization of politics in Bihar was coined during these protests. On 26 February 2012, following the investigation by the Central Bureau of Investigation, a special court convicted 3 of the accused, sentenced them to life imprisonment, and fined each of them a sum of Rs 40,000. The General Secretary Deepankar Bhattacharya, however, expressed dissatisfaction with the verdict and stated that the verdict was disappointing, inadequate, and that the courts had skirted the political characterization of the murder by ignoring the charges on Mohammad Shahabuddin, the prime accused in the case. On 23 March 2012, a fourth accused was sentenced for life whose trial had run separately, and a fifth accused had died during the course of the trials, therefore, no convictions were brought against him. Following the trials, the Communist Party of India, Marxist, Leninist, Liberation states that the CBI treated the crime like a case of random shooting instead of a political assassination. The party maintains the position that no justice was granted with the verdict where a young activist was killed by a sitting member of parliament and only his hitmen were sentenced.